A study on diversity and innovation was conducted and found that diversity in organization do have a positive impact in innovation. In this study also shows that impact of innovation can only be seen if there is at least 20% or more of diversity in a team. How does diversity impact innovation? Well, this is because a team can be diverse in several factors like age, gender, professional background, to name a few. This allows team players to offer different perspectives of inputs, new ideas, and together make creative ways to adopt and adapt those ideas. Individually, each mind built on a structure of knowledge and experience. Curiosity and experimental nature add the value of risk and seek opportunity, and this encourages innovative behavior. Collectively, different opinions sometimes create frictions, and friction is a push factor of change, which is a driver for innovation. However, working in a diverse team is never easy. In a design-led project, it's a known fact that it's always difficult to manage between creative minds, the designers, moreover to combine with the non-designers. How can we make this collaboration works together? How can we lead a team of diverse professionals? My experience of working in a diverse team in a design project happened quite recently. Previously, I usually worked in a team of designers or people who have some degree of design background. But this time, my team consists of 3 designers and 1 data analyst. This alone makes out the team to the 20% diversity component I have mentioned earlier. As a team leader, I looked into how leadership can positively influence the situation, and this brought me to the knowledge of collaborative leadership in terms of facilitating a diverse team, communicating design principles in a non-design context, and managing conflicts. In our project advocating placemaking for the community, we practice participatory design to include the community in gathering insights to create something back to the community. Here, our obstacle is not just to work with the public, but also to work among ourselves. The first workshop we conducted provided us abundance of insights, which offer a wide spectrum of design intervention. At one point, our argument for the design intervention contradicts each other. Half of the team see a strong point of A, another half see a strong point of B. So which perspective should we focus on? I quickly understand the different dynamic brought by each team member. And while this is very exciting, the differences starts to create conflict. To achieve a unanimous decision, we did a design sprint that not only this uncover more in depth of the project context, but it also helped us to better visualize the design intervention and direction of the project. In another situation, we were organizing a second workshop. While trialing the workshop, we found out that we overlooked the nature of our participants, and this made a lot of error in the workshop session, which could decrease positive experience for the participants. Here we identify our limitation, the technology, and the challenges, the clueless participants, and lay out a scenario for each activity, and together we try to reduce the flaws and mitigate the issue. In conclusion, we come up with an introductory video which helps the participant to easily understand the project and where they come in to further contribute to the project. Secondly, we reduce activity slides and interactive interface to allow us to work with the technology and minimize participant confusion while using it. The fact that we managed to co-design together, practice strategic thinking, use design tools in making decisions, and iterate our work in a flow of design thinking process reflects upon leading through design. A successful innovation builds upon visionary leaders, risk tolerance, and organizational readiness. In my case, thinking ahead, taking the risk of pursuing the project in the dark, not knowing our design direction but trusting the process, and positively being open and engaging among team members allow us to innovate and produce a strong proposal for a design intervention. And this is how we should reflect on in cultivating innovation through leadership.